Everyone knows that digital marketing is forever evolving. We've got AI, we have different social media platforms popping up at all times. There's a different dance trend on TikTok every other week. How is a business owner meant to keep up with all of this? It's almost like a full-time job in itself. Learning how to set up the ads, writing the ads that connect with your ideal client, understanding what to write, understanding how to make an image pop out in a news feed, or have your ad show up on a Google ad for the right time and the right search term for your client. All of these things can be a full-time job in itself. And for someone who has a successful business, has customers to deal with, and time and effort is better spent working with the business, not necessarily its digital marketing, that's when someone like myself, digital marketing agency, can really help take away and save that business owner time and money, because we keep up with the trends. We're constantly, I mean me, I'm constantly investing in my education because platforms change, trends change, ad manager changes almost every week. And because I'm keeping on top of that for myself, for my clients, the business owners don't have to worry about that. They can concentrate on what they love and what their zone of genius is, and I'll concentrate on mine, and that's how we deliver the best results.